Most people think they need to eat multiple meals a day to lose fat, build muscle, and stay healthy. But what I've learned is almost the opposite. The real breakthrough came when I combined one meal a day with intermittent fasting, a clear protein target, and a stasis ruptured way of eating. Because it's not just about what you eat. It's about when you eat, how your body responds, and how consistent your system is. With one meal a day, you naturally create a long fasting window. Your insulin drops. Your body switches into fat burning. Your ketone levels rise. And your system finally gets time to regulate. That's why intermittent fasting is so powerful. And for conditions like lipedema, diabetes, epilepsy, or even neurodivergence like ADHD, this becomes even more important. Now let's talk about the structure of the meal. Your one meal needs to do everything. Protein, energy, micronutrients. For most people, the sweet spot is around 100 grams of protein per day. Now let me show you exactly how to build that meal. First, a protein vegetable bake. Take 120 grams of TVP and let it soak in hot water for a few minutes. Add 200 grams of tofu and 100 grams of tempeh. Add 400 grams of skyr. Then mix in 50 grams of almond flour, 20 grams of psyllium husk, and 20 grams of pumpkin seed flour. Add around 800 grams of chopped vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, or cauliflower. Season with salt, pepper, garlic, turmeric, and Italian herbs. Add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything and spread it evenly on a baking tray. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius with fan for 35 to 40 minutes until firm. Cut into portions. If you share it, add an extra 400 grams of skyr on the side to reach around 100 grams of protein. Second, edamame noodles with avocado sauce. Cook 100 grams of edamame noodles in a pan. Soak 60 grams of TVP. Blend 1 avocado with 200 grams of skyr, lemon juice, salt, and spices. Add vegetables like broccoli or zucchini. Combine everything and add olive oil. This gives you around 100 grams of protein. Third, a sauerkraut tray with tofu and tempeh. Take 500 grams of sauerkraut and spread it on a tray. Add 300 grams of tofu and 150 grams of tempeh. Add 40 grams of TVP. Top with vegan feta and olive oil. Season with pepper, paprika, and garlic. Bake at 160 degrees for about 30 minutes. Add 200 grams of skyr on the side to reach your protein target. Fourth, a creamy protein soup. Take vegetables like spinach, zucchini, and cauliflower. Cook them with water or plant milk. Add 200 grams of tofu and 100 grams of TVP. Blend everything. Then add 300 grams of skyr and olive oil. Season with salt, pepper, garlic, and turmeric. This gives you around 100 grams of protein. If you want something sweet, you can make simple fat bombs. Mix 100 grams of macadamia butter, 40 grams of almond flour, and 20 grams of pumpkin seed flour. Add vanilla and a pinch of salt. Form small balls and let them cool. Now let's talk about sunlight. Your mitochondria respond directly to light. So check in your country when UVB is available, usually around midday. Expose your skin when possible. Even your face and hands make a difference. If possible, expose larger areas like your legs. And if sunlight is limited, it can make sense to recharge in sunnier places, because this affects your metabolism, your hormones, and your energy production. Now, one last thing. Supplements. I personally use omega-3 from algae oil, a complete vegan multivitamin including vitamin B12 and vitamin D with K, 2, creatine, magnesium, and 2 Brazil nuts per day for selenium. These support your metabolism, your brain, and your recovery. And finally, remember this. Even if everything looks perfect on paper, your body can respond differently. That's why I use a continuous ketone monitor. Because instead of guessing, I can actually see what's happening in real time. If you want to track your ketones throughout the day instead of guessing, I'm using the Sibio Continuous Ketone Monitor. You can get 5% off with my link here. https://www.sibioSensor.com/ALINACULTA. Use code ALINACULTA for the discount. This is not about extremes. It's about building a system that works. Make no more compromises. Keto and vegan can work. Simple, fast, delicious. Subscribe for more.